What is a receiver? It is in form of, you can say, here for a radio, it is a radio receiver. Total set is a receiver. This is receiving a antenna. So as per the definition, a receiver extracts the desired message. This is something which I am unable to get. What do you mean by the term desired message or desired signal? Because signal is available from station A, station B, station C, station D. Different stations now, right now, at least 20-30 you can say stations signal is available, and you can tune to the station by having a selection switch, station selection switch, channel selection switch. It should have ability, yes, to do what? To extract desired. If you tune to 101.1 megahertz, that is Bathinda radio station, then it should get tuned to that. It should give you information from Bathinda radio station, not other. That means it should function as a slave. It should do what you want it to do, not randomly कि अपनी मर्जी नाल ही सुनाऊंगा मैं तो. ठीक है? Once again, very close choices in competition. A receiver extracts the desired message signal from the received signals. How many received signals are there? Say in this example, A, B, C, D, 4. And you tune to station B. Then only program from B should be selected. A radio antenna receives signal from 3 stations, say A, B, C. In our example, it is D also. And once you tune it to station B, then program corresponding to B should be there. Time with you is 2 minutes to write. What is a receiver? 2 minutes to write. What is a receiver? Next part is F, attenuation. If there is a tower and you move away from that, a mobile user is moving away from a tower, or a listener having a radio set is moving away from the transmitter, how the strength will change with distance? As the person moves away, the signal strength keeps on decreasing. So, no doubt it is giving radiations in all directions, but it is equivalent to a source of light, bulb. If you are at distance 1 meter, there is some light. If you move 2 meters, light will be less. Number of photons coming per unit area will decrease. So, as you move away, the signal strength decreases. What is attenuation then? The loss of strength of a signal while propagating through a medium is known as attenuation. As we move away from tower, comma आना चाहिए, signal strength decreases. Time with you is 2 minutes. What is attenuation? 2 marks question. G is what? Amplification. One. If it is an amplifier, any amplifier, the input signal is small, output 1000 time, 1 lakh time. We have discussed in detail common emitter amplifier. Output is many times in comparison to input. That is what an amplifier is. It amplifies a signal. One. But on the way, you can use it. This is the use, how you can use, this is a normal amplifier used in a music system. But you use amplifier on the way also. How? You might have seen in a cable, as you move away from the station, there is a cable station also. As you move house number 1, house number 2, house number 3, after say 100 houses, the signal strength decreases. फिर की करते हो? Yes, they place an amplifier in say 100th house. That amplifier will do what? Will pick up the signal, will amplify and then give it to another 100 houses. And sometimes they pay money or they give it free to that particular house which installs the amplifier. Why? Because the amplifier consumes power, energy. So either they give a discount or free, whatever it is. How to represent it here? See, suppose after covering 100 kilometers, suppose the signal strength has come down to this level, and this is not acceptable. As a mobile user, this much signal is not good for me. I am unable to communicate if I am at this level. Then, at this stage, you will get an amplifier, a tower, an amplifier. I will pick up the same signal, this same input, this signal as input, and this amplifier will do what? It will amplify, and now the output will come out to be much more in comparison to this part. That means the graph will shift. How? So the consumer which was here, consumer 1, earlier was getting this signal only, now is getting high signal. If this tower does nothing, simply picks up the signal and amplifies, may also be termed as a repeater, because it is repeating the same information. But by amplification. Once again, amplification is the process of increasing the amplitude of signal using an electronic circuit called a amplifier. In our syllabus chapter 9, we have covered common emitter amplifier. Time with you is 3 minutes. Normal amplification and amplification by a repeater. 3 minutes right. What the consumer was getting earlier, weak signal. Now, after installation of this, consumer is getting a strong signal. Range. It is the largest distance between the source and destination up to which the signal received with sufficient strength. Signal is available. Signal is available even say up to 200 kilometers. But signal available at this point at 100 kilometer to consumer 1. After this, the strength is very weak. The signal is not good enough. That is why with the sufficient strength, if you market this one that beyond this point, you don't have sufficient signal, then the range of the tower is 100 kilometers only. No doubt that you have some signal at 200 kilometers also. Example, Bathinda radio station, the claim is up to 50 kilometers. Up to 50 kilometers. But when you tune to, you sometimes get a call from a place as far away as Nabha. The place is approximately say 150 kilometers away. Then generally the person from the radio will ask, do you get the strength? Do you get the signal? The answer is morning and evening only. The range, the quality of the signal changes with the temperature variation. That is why the government first conducts a technical survey, finds the strength, and then declares. So the declaration is only up to, in this case, only up to 100 kilometer. It is quite possible that a person at 200 kilometer might be getting it at some part of the time, some part of the day, maybe in the morning or in the evening. But your declaration is 100 kilometers only. So the range is, it is the largest distance between the source and the destination up to which the signal received with sufficient, ये stress word है, sufficient strength. 2 minutes to write. Sufficient strength. Next is what? Bandwidth. Yes. Bandwidth means what? Range of frequencies. Frequency range over which an equipment operates, or the portion of the spectrum occupied by the signal. Example is FM radio. Yes. 88 megahertz to 108 megahertz. This is FM, frequency modulation. AM, no doubt, exact value is 500 something and 640, but approximate value, I am writing approximate value. You can write is 500 kilohertz to say 1600 kilohertz. It is approximate value. So, Bathinda 108, 100, 1.1, 97.6, 93.5, all these stations are in between the two. So, government of India allocates the band that all FM radio stations will operate within 88 and 108. So, that all manufacturers will manufacture a receiver. Philips, this is by Philips. So, a manufacturer knows that in India all the FM radio stations are between 88 to 108. So, they will manufacture a device in which the FM works between 88 to 108 megahertz. AM say 500 kilohertz to 1500 kilohertz. So, bandwidth is what? Bandwidth is range. Bandwidth refers to range of frequencies over which an equipment operates, or the portion of the spectrum occupied by the signal. Time with you is 2 minutes. Next. Yes. Modulation J. Yes. What is modulation? What is packing? पहले प्रोसेस की जैसे सी पिज़्ज़ा की कर देने पहले पैक कर दिया देयर इज अ बॉक्स so you place the pizza inside the box that is packing then it travels then you unpack so the voice or the signal like this cannot be transmitted to whole country in this form only will take up need for modulation why to modulate why to do this process pack and then unpack why my voice is at present without any modulation but it cannot travel in this form to whole of India that is why there is a need for a modulation we will discuss in detail what is modulation at the transmitter what you have is a wave carrier wave which will carry say 101.1 megahertz, very high frequency. It will carry a signal. Maybe a song, sorry, message. It will carry a message. So how to place this message, this song on the wave? Amplitude modulation AM, frequency modulation FM, phase modulation, types of modulation we'll discuss in the same chapter later on. Process is placing this message on carrier wave is termed as modulation. Normal layman language, box hai, pizza, placing the pizza inside the box and then packing that process, total process known as packing. And here it is known as modulation. Modulation is a process of superimposing message signal on carrier wave, amplitude modulation or a frequency modulation. This is one. Along with this, we will cover. That means once it is done, then it will be by the transmitter. It is transmitted. Then demodulation. Demodulation. Reverse. When this signal travels to the receiver, receiving side, then फिर क्या होएगा? You will receive this like this. This is song, this message you will receive. You will take this message, unpacking, because this is what you are interested in. This is used to carry one to identify that receiver is to be tuned to 101.1 megahertz. You will receive this carrier frequency. You have nothing to do with the carrier frequency after that. You are interested for the message. So you will take this message from the carrier wave. This process of taking this message from the carrier wave is known as demodulation. So demodulation की है, it is the reverse of modulation process of a retrieval of information from the carrier wave at a receiver. AM receiver separates signal from carrier wave through this process of a demodulation. Time with you is 4 minutes. 3 marks the question, board the, what is modulation and demodulation? So spend 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Last part at your own repeater. I've already discussed the same. So last part repeater at your own. We refer to question number 4. Question number 4 deals with what? Range of a TV tower. Range of any transmitter of height h. Question is Earth. The radius of Earth is what? Yes, 6,400 kilometers. There is a tower of some height. Generally it is meters, but I need to draw it. थोड़ा clear हो जाएगा. That is why ये to the scale था नहीं हो सकता. Tower is of few meters. Building, tallest building 1 kilometer. That is why let there is a tower of height h. It is just like having a bulb on the tower. Just think of as if you have a bulb on the tower. So this radiation is emitted in all directions. If it is emitted in all directions, then this is the point where the consumer can receive maximum possibility. Can a consumer at this point receive this information? No. So the problem is curvature of Earth causes a constraint on the range. So here na, had it been a disk, bus ek ही लगा देंगे, then it is available, then there is no limit. Then the signal strength may decrease, then you can amplify, but here the strength is almost 0. What you have to find out is, we mark the points. T is tower, P is the point up to which you receive it. T is the tower head, this is R radius, this is also R, this is also R. This is what you have to find out. This is range equal to TP. This is something you need to find out. Notes band kar do please. One full page. One full page. Draw the diagram and find a range TP in terms of R and H. The concept to be used covered in school, 10th class. Right angle triangle. Hint is right angle triangle. This angle is 90 degree. So you have to find out TP. You can mark this point as C. Kuch bhi mark kar le, whatever. If you marked as O, you can mark. I am marking it as C. Yes, in right angle triangle, this one. CT square is equal to CP square plus TP square. ठीक है? CT is equal to what? C to T. This is R. This is H. So R plus H. R plus H whole square is equal to CP. C to P is R. R square plus TP square. So TP square is equal to what? R plus H square minus R square. What you get is R square plus H square plus 2RH. R square cancel. What you get is 2RH plus H square. TP or range under root of 2RH. Why not to take into account this second part, H square? One example, 2R, R is 6400 kilometers, H, say 1 kilometer. So 2 into 6400 into 1 comes out to what? 12,800. 1 square, it is 1. So this part, first part is 12,800, second part is 1 only. That is why second part, this H square comes out to be very, very small in comparison to 2RH. So the range for all practical purposes is 2RH. Question is, if you want to double the range, competition question, if you want to double the range, height is to be increased to 4 times. If you want to send the information at double distance, then height you will have to make how many times? 4 times. That is why it is difficult to increase the range of a tower, of a transmitter. So range is proportional to what? Under root of, so the result is range is equal to 2RH under root. This is 2. 3. Point number 2 is range. That we have answered. Range is equal to 2RH. Area, population, area or the population which can have this program or TV program. How to find that? See, if this is the height, this is the range, then it is almost a disk. Almost a disk of radius almost same as that of range. So the area which can be covered is equal to pi into range square. Range is how much? 2RH root square. Comes out to be pi 2RH. That means area, surface of earth which can be covered is proportional to what? Proportional to height. Now the population is always per unit area, 1000 persons per square kilometer. Say population density is 1000 persons are living per square kilometer. When you double the height, the area covered also double. Area is 2 times. Population which will now see the program is also 2 times the previous value if you double the height. But if you double the height, range is not 2 times, range is under root 2 times. So all these questions, if you double the height, range increases by, yes, under root 2 times means 41.4%. And percentage increase in population which can now see the program is 100% increase if you double H area is also doubled, and the population is per square kilometer. Population is proportional to area. So that will also be this. So taking into account this part, देखते हैं करके देख रहे हैं क्वेश्चंस, नोट कर लो. 2 minutes to pen down, 2 minutes to write. Try this part at your own. अगर नहीं पहले नहीं लिखा सी तो लिख दो वाला r plus h square is equal to r square plus dp square. आंसर आ जाएगा. 2 minutes to complete. 2 minutes to complete. Page number 10 by 49. 10 by 49. Numerical number 6. Sitting arrangement इस तरह change कर लो so that you have the book with you. Adjust कर लो. Sitting arrangement इस तरह कर लो so that you have the book with you. Numerically करने हैं बस हम. Numerical number 6. A TV tower has a height 100 meter. What is the population density around the TV tower if the total population covered is 50 lakh? Chapter 10b, page in my book is 10 by 49. Question देखो. Question is, a TV tower has a height 100 meter. What is the population density around the TV tower if the total population covered is 50 lakhs? The radius of Earth is 6.4 and 10 per 6. Time with you is 2 minutes. Population density is equal to population divided by area. Agreed? Area covered by the TV tower. Area covered by TV tower is equal to what? Population divided by area covered by TV tower is pi into range square. Range below 2 R H root. Population is how much? 50 lakhs. 50 into 10 raised to power 5. Pi 2RH square under root square means 2RH. Yes, R is 6400 kilometers times per 3. H is how much? 100 meters. Put these values, find the population. So many persons, 50 lakh persons per square meter or per square kilometer? Answer here is per square kilometer. That is why we change this to kilometers. 6400 kilometers and 100 meters is how many kilometers? 0.1 kilometer. So what you get is some value, so many persons per square kilometer. Two minutes for calculation. कितने का आंसर आ गया भाई? बाकी आ जाना चाहिए सी. Approximately 1242.9, that means 12,1243 persons. Approximately 1243 persons per square kilometers. कितने का आंसर आता है वाला? सेम जो टैली होता है. न्यूमेरिकल नंबर 7. Question is, a TV transmission tower at a particular station has a height. Height is given. How much? 160 meter. A part, range. B part, how much population is covered by transmission if the average population density is given? How much population is covered? Second part, see by how much the height of the tower be increased, underline increased, to double the range. H dash minus H. H dash is new height of the tower, H is the original height. You have to find out the difference of the two so that T double करना है? Yes, double the range. Range to be doubled. Time with you is 2 minutes. Range is equal to 2 RH under root. 2R is what? 6400 kilometers. Height is 160 meters. Times per 2, times per 3, times per 1. कितना आ गया? Times per 6. Fine. 2, 3, 5 plus 1, 6. So it is times per 3 under root of 2, under root of 64 and under root of 16. बोलो कितना 8, 4, under root 2 is 1.414, 1.4 10 per 3 meters means kilometers. 32 into 1.4. Find the range in meters and in kilometers. Approximately, yes, meters 45,025, right? 250. Kilometers, yes, 0.5 kilometers. 45.23, 45.3, approximately 45.3 kilometers. First part is answered. कितने का आंसर आया? Approximately 45 kilometers. Range you have answered. Try the second part, population. B part. What population is covered? Population covered is equal to population density into area. Population density is how much? How many persons? 1200 persons per square kilometer. Area pi into range square. 1200 persons per square kilometer into pi into range in kilometers 45.3. Approximate analysis you can carry with 45 also. So calculation, kilometer square is cancelled, so you get the population. Time with you is 1 minute for calculation. 1 minute for calculation. Answer please. Let me write the answer and you confirm later on. 77 lakhs, approximately 77 into 10 raised to the power 5 persons. Check कर लेना. C part. Calculation छाड़ दो कोई गल नहीं. C part. Yes, you want to double the range. Agreed? Height is how many times? If you want to double the range, range is proportional to under root h. If you want to double the range, r dash by r is equal to h dash by h under root. You want to double 2 times h dash by 160. H dash is equal to what? H dash, new height will be 4 times. 4 into 160, 640 meters. But question is not what is new height. Question is increase in height delta h is equal to h dash